Hello friends, welcome back to the course. So let's move on to another software which is also based on Scratch. This software is MBlock and it is used to program different devices which are based on electronics. So the device we have chosen over here is Arduino Uno. You can choose any device from here. You can go to add and then you see there are so many devices over here. So you can select any of the devices. Right now we have selected Arduino Uno. So to program this Arduino, you will see the programming is exactly same we have used in Scratch. You will find all the instruction sets that are used in Scratch here, like the control instruction set. Here you have repeat statement, forever, if, else. Then you have operators menu and everything is there what we have learned in Scratch. Now let's start by building a very basic program. So here you can go to the pin and you will see that there are so many options available. These are the options based on the Arduino Uno device. The Arduino Uno has lots of pins. The way we use the Chibitronics chip, it had many pins which could be used as input and output. Similarly, Arduino Uno also has many pins which can be used as input and output. So what we will do is, we will take a very small example of putting on one light. So to start the programming, first we need to do is, when Arduino Uno starts up, we have to drag and drop this instruction here because we have to tell the software that we are writing an Arduino program. Then we will select this statement from pin menu. Set digital pin 9 input output as high. So instead of 9 we will put it as 13 because there is an inbuilt LED with the pin number 13 in Arduino Uno. So if we keep it as high and if we go through the program again, so you will see set digital pin 13 output as high. So this program is complete to put on an LED which is connected to pin number 13 of Arduino. Now if you go here and upload this program, then you will see that the pin number 13 goes high. Now here I have not connected my device. I have to just connect my device and then I have to click here and then I'll be able to upload the program. So you can see it's so easy to even light up an LED using the same knowledge we have gained in Scratch. Now similarly what you can do is you can light up this LED for 1 second. So we will take 1 second here and we will then put it off. We have to write it low. So this is a complete program to put on the LED and then wait for 1 second and put it off. So it is that simple. Now we can use different control statements like repeat or forever and we can do all those things that we have learned in Chibitronics. Now let's move on to something else here. You can see there are sensors. You can use these, the ultrasonic sensor, and there are other sensors also available. So these two instructions, the read digital pin and read analog pin, also work as sensors. We have many digital pins on our Arduino, so we can use them as input pins. Similarly, we have few analog pins on the Arduino. We can use them as analog inputs. So they will also work as sensors. We can connect sensors to those pins. Now these pins, they give information from the sensor and we use that information to give instruction to our Arduino. In the same way, we have PWM pin here in which you can vary the output from 0 to 255. It is an analog output pin. So you can vary the output the way we did it in Chibitronics chip. Now we can also add some extensions. If you go here, you can see there are so many extensions available here. So there are so many extensions and you can use different devices with it. So we have added one extension, Adafruit Motor Shield. Now here what you can do with this extension is, if you bring and drop it here, let's just put this only instruction here. Now you can see here you have options of selecting one of the 4 motors. You can one by one take 2-3 instructions and select the motor number 2 also. In this case, now what we will do is we will be able to program 2 motors together, and we can set up their speed at 255. Say for example, it is the highest speed at which they can run as per this program. Now we have built a program with such a simplicity where you can run a car having 2 motors. So it is that simple. Now if you want to take it back, then what you have to do is you have to just go here and take it to it minus 255. And you see, it's so simple. If you upload this program will run the car in the backward direction. And whenever we are moving and we stop, our speed becomes 0. So if we write 0 here, then the car will stop. So we can build a very simple program, like we can start the car at speed 255. Then we can wait for say 3 seconds. And then we can stop the car after 3 seconds. Now with this simple program, we are able to run the car for 3 seconds and then we are able to stop it. Similarly, if we add sensors in this program, like if we go here and read a digital pin, we can very easily build a complete system. See, here what we have done is, when this program reads the digital pin 9, we will connect some sensor with this pin number 9, and whenever we get that input, then this step will happen. Otherwise, what we can do is we can run the motor in the opposite direction or in the backward direction. If the condition is true, then it will move in the forward direction for 3 seconds. If it is not true, it will move in the backward direction for 3 seconds, or just it will keep running in the backward direction. So if you go to build the C language program, it will take a lot of time to reach to this level. But with the knowledge of Scratch, we have been able to build such a difficult program and such a difficult application with such a simplicity. So this is the power of block programming or the Scratch programming. Here if you go to the add devices menu, you can see there is a microbit. This is also a chip, and it is also used as an electronics chip for programming. So you can select this also, and here you can see the more or less everything is same. Everything is same. Only the shape or the color changes, rest everything is same. So here again we can do all the programming we have done with Arduino Uno. We can also do the same thing with microbit also. So Arduino Uno is a very powerful device, and it is used worldwide by educators, also by the students, even college students. They build their application and their projects on Arduino Uno. I teach robotics completely on Arduino Uno. Kids are using Arduino Uno. Lots of kits are based on Arduino Uno itself. And it is so famous that you will find so many courses, so many videos everywhere on Arduino Uno. And if you use this software, it will make it very simple for you. So this was all about this software. I hope you have loved this session, and you will definitely look forward to learn this Arduino and build your own applications. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you. All the best.